In this video, we're diving into an exciting opportunity to earn money by doing something you already love, listening to music. The platform we're discussing today is SoundCampaign. This platform is available worldwide, making it accessible to music lovers everywhere. Imagine this. You listen to a number of songs every day, and now you can actually get paid for it. It might sound too good to be true, but SoundCampaign is a legitimate platform that allows you to potentially earn a significant income from your passion for music. So, how does SoundCampaign work? First, you'll need to sign up for free. The registration process is straightforward and user-friendly. Once you're registered, you'll start receiving songs from independent artists who are eager for your honest feedback. Think of it as sharing your thoughts with a friend about a new song. You can express whether you loved it, think it needs work, or if it's just not your style. This feedback is invaluable to artists trying to refine their sound and reach a wider audience. One of the cool features of SoundCampaign is that if you really enjoy a song, you can add it to your own Spotify playlist. This not only helps you curate your own music collection, but also aids the artists in gaining exposure. It's a win-win situation. Now, let's talk about the earning potential. To earn the full $14 per song, you need to have at least 1,000 followers on Spotify. Building this following may take time, but if you're passionate about music, it's worth the effort. Start by signing up for a free account, setting up an appealing profile, and creating engaging playlists. Share your playlists with friends, family, and on social media. You can even consider joining music communities online to attract more followers. Engaging with other music lovers can help you discover new tracks and gain insights into what resonates with listeners. Now, let's break down the earnings. If you review 10 songs a week at an average of $10 each, you could potentially earn $100 weekly, totaling around $400 a month. Payments are made directly to your bank or PayPal account, though some users have reported occasional delays. So it's good to keep that in mind. SoundCampaign has a solid reputation, with positive reviews from users who appreciate the chance to earn money for their feedback. However, there are some cons to consider. You might receive songs that don't fit your playlist genre, making it challenging to provide relevant feedback. Additionally, new users will need to establish their playlists before they can start earning, which can take some time and effort. In conclusion, if you're passionate about music and willing to put in the work to grow your Spotify following, SoundCampaign could be a fantastic opportunity for you. It's not free money, it requires effort, but the rewards can be worthwhile. So, begin your journey as a playlist curator. Remember, every great music journey starts with a single note, and who knows, you might discover your next favorite artist along the way. Until next time, keep rocking and happy listening. For more money-making tips, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss anything from us. See you next time.